Now here is something most people don't know. There are actually two ways to use the run tool. The first is the run dialog, which we open it by keyboard shortcut, Windows plus R. It is quick and lightweight that launches commands as a standard user. It's designed for everyday shortcuts that we will see after a while. The second is run new task. It's found inside Task Manager, just up here in Windows 11 and under File and Run New Task in Windows 10. Run New Task is more powerful. It lets you start programs with administrative privilege directly, which is especially useful when troubleshooting or fixing system issues. Let's just see this with a single command. Let's open Run and type cmd. This opens command prompt as a default user. Let's run check disk command. See, it says access denied for not having sufficient privilege. Now let's open run new task on Task Manager. Type cmd and check this box so that we have administrative privilege and enter. Let's run check disk now. See, it works.